Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Ruzia. My name is SHANAZLEEN and I'm going to present the comparison between stock market and bond market. Okay, what is stock market? It is a share in the ownership of a company, which is the capital in running a business. Stock represent a claim on the company's asset and earnings. Shareholder is the owner of the company. Okay, bond market, it is a long-term fixed income security which the issuer agreed to pay income payments for a specified period of time and repay the principal at maturity to the bondholder. The second one is the characteristic. Stock market, it has three characteristics, which is income stock, growth and income stock, or known as blue chips, and also defensive stock. Bond market also have three characteristics, which is instrument with maturity date, coupon rate, and yield to maturity. Next is the role between stock market and bond market. Stock market is a channel for the corporate sector to raise capital for business and investment activities, and it also provides correct valuation of stock and promote efficient allocation of capital. Okay, for bond market, it is exists for the efficient financing and investment in debt instrument. Bond market also offer a liquid alternative to bank loans. Next is the participant. Okay, stock market has three participants, which is institutional investor, individual retail investor, and publicly traded corporation. Bond market also have three participants, which is bond issuer, investor, and foreign entity. Example of bond issuer like government, Bank Negara Malaysia, corporation, financial and non-financial institution. Okay, now I'm going to explain the development. For stock market, I'm going to take Bursa Malaysia Berhad as an example. On 1964, the Stock Exchange of Malaysia was established. On 1973, the Stock Exchange of Malaysia and Singapore was divided into the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange Berhad. On 2004, Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange changed its name to Bursa Malaysia Berhad. And they also partnership with CME and holds 25% of the equity stake in Bursa Malaysia Derivative Berhad, while the remaining interest is held by Bursa Malaysia Berhad. Okay, for bond market, the Malaysian government started to issue bonds in the 1970s, mainly to raise funds for the country's development project. Privatization program in the middle 1980 started economic growth and increased demand for alternative long-term funds have provided the basis for development of bond market. And it also became one of the largest local currency bond market in the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, which is ASEAN. Okay, next is the legislation. For stock market, I'm also going to take Bursa Malaysia Berhad as an example. Okay, Bank Negara Malaysia under the Banking and Financial Institution Act 1989 and known as BAFIA, as well as Capital Market Service License issued by the Security Commission under the Capital Market and Service Act 2007. For bond market, it has three, which is Bank Negara Malaysia, established on 26 January 1959 under the Central Bank of Malaysian Act 1958. Also known as CBA 1958. And the second one is Security Commission of Malaysia, was established on 1st March 1993 under the Security Commission Act 1993. And the last one, Companies Commission of Malaysia by Company Act on 1965. Last but not least, the contribution to economy between stock market and bond market. For stock market, I will take the general one. Okay, it has three, which is effect on business investment, stock trends and consumer spending, and stock market trends. For effect on business investment, stock prices can affect business investment. For stock trends and consumer spending, bull markets can create a wealth effect, and people feel more confident as their investment portfolio rise in value. And the last one, stock market trends. The prices of individual stock are dynamic, giving the entire stock market a dynamic and even volatile character. For bond market, I have taken the contribution to economy of Malaysia. As at end December 2010, the size of the bond market reached 763.4 billion ringgit Malaysia, approximately 97% of GDP. The corporate bond market makes up approximately a quarter of the total debt financing to the economy, compared with around 10% in 1997. A wide variety of debt security products are available in the Malaysian bond market. To date, a total of 7 issuance of MDB bonds totaling 3.7 billion have been issued in Malaysia. Malaysia, among the key Islamic financial centres, offer a wide variety of Islamic bonds that are based on Sharia compliance concept. As at end December 2010, Islamic bonds accounted for 39% of total bond outstanding. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.